Baby, you don't know what you do to me, between me and you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you all my face shaving routine. So shaving my face is something that I like to do every couple of months, and it just helps your skin to look better, and it also helps with your makeup application, because once your skin is looking better, your makeup would also apply better as well. So I like to do it like every couple of months. I know some persons do it every week. I don't feel like that's necessary, but then again, everyone hairs on their face grows differently, so I don't know. And that is another point too, because a lot of persons usually ask me if shaving my face makes the hair grow back quicker. I personally don't have that issue where I saw that my hair would grow back quicker, but everyone is different, so I'm not going to say that your hair may not grow back quicker, but me personally, my hair does not grow back any faster until I do it. But if you know you're a hairy person, it's a possibility that your hair would actually grow back quicker. So I don't know, but I can tell you for me, mine does not go back quicker. Right, so this is something that I love to do. It just removes like all the peach fuzz and everything from your face, and your face just looks a lot more fresh and glowy and thing. Anyway, so this is going to be a very quick video, so I'm just going to move on to showing you guys the products that you would need. Okay, so what you'll need are an eyebrow razor, and this is what you're going to do. You used to do the dermaplaning, and I like to, some persons do it dry, like just dry on the face. I like to apply an oil, or I usually use raw aloe, and I feel like this is a lot better because you kind of risk cutting yourself when you do it dry, because you're not even supposed to be doing this yourself. You kind of risk cutting yourself when doing this on your dry face. So I like to apply some aloe, or I would get like the fresh aloe plants, or I would use an oil. I also apply the aloe to my face after I'm done shaving it, and this just helps to soothe it and keep it from scratching and stuff. If you have like really textured skin or like a lot of bumps and stuff, I would not recommend that you do this, because you can cut yourself easily that way. If you have really textured skin, I would recommend that you go to a professional to get some dermaplaning done. Okay, what else did I need to mention? Oh, I like to use a face mask after. It's just further helps to soothe the skin, and just, you know, to like really bring out the glow in your skin too. So this is a moisturizing face mask with collagen and vitamin E. Okay, so I think that's about all you would need. So let's just get into actually shaving the face now.
Time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. I wish away. not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away. Palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is send pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. It's still right next to you. You. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Then dip me underway. Fill my mouth with flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, me, baby, me. Deep, 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 I wanna play deep.
So I just cleaned off my face using some toner on a cotton pad, and then we're going to move on to getting the aloe, which we're going to use to kind of create like a face mask. And this is just going to help soothe your face from the shaving. So I'm just cutting off the aloe plant here. I then cut off the ends of the aloe plant, and then we're gonna be slicing it down into the middle. And now to get out the actual aloe that we're gonna be using, I learned this from TikTok. Use a small comb, a fine tooth comb, and it all just scrapes off really easily. Okay, so now that we have the aloe, I'm just going to be applying this onto my face, kind of like we're creating a face mask. And you want to ensure that you don't get this into your eyes and also into your mouth. I like to ensure that I don't get this close to my lips at all because it's very bitter. And don't forget to bring some of the aloe down your neck. Anytime you're doing like any sort of skincare on your face, you want to ensure that you are bringing it all the way down your neck too. So now moving on, we're going to be applying this moisturizing face mask from EPL Beauty. So we're just going to apply this over the aloe that we just applied. Yeah, I'm just showing out whatever liquid was inside the packaging onto my face and onto my neck, and then I left that on for like 15 minutes and then I took it off, and I'm just gonna rub this into my skin again before I actually go ahead and rinse it off. And that's basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you like this video, if you've shaved your face before, if this is something that you like to do. Let me know that down in the comments, and I will see you all in my next video.